Hello everyone, this is Pure Stone Heart and we will continue unboxing, guys. We will be doing unboxing for some of my gift during my birthday. I have here, what's this? Oh, Lacoste. So Lacoste. Oy, Lacoste watch. Hello. The Lacoste watch. Wow, may Lacoste watch na ako, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much for this Lacoste watch. My God, I have all the collections na. Ang dami ko ng collection ng mga watches, guys. And then, ano pa bang meron dito? Meron pa akong isang perfume. And perfume to siya. So, Olympic by Genie Collection. I have here. So, another one. What's this? Okay. Tramontina. Ayan, Tramontina because I love cooking. I love cooking, so I guess kaya binigay ito ng kaibigan ko. Let's check. A set of knives. Oh my God. A set of knives, guys. Kailangan nating magluto nito. Thank you so much. I love the gift that I received. Yan. So I guess that's all that we got. So much. Thank you so much for the gift. Yeah, and this is what I've got during my birthday celebration. Hey, thank you so much for watching, guys. Once again, this is Pure Stone Heart and welcome to my YouTube channel. Bye.